welcome to Chief Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. Oh, hi! How are you? It's so good to see you. How have you been? Oh, I love your hair. It looks so good. You know, the color and the way it frames the fullness of your face and covers up that thing on your back. So anyway, it's good to see you, and call me. We'll go out and we'll do something. So, okay, all right, bye. Have you ever had a compliment that goes wrong like that? That maybe there's one or two little pieces that went extra that you didn't need. Well, the same can be true of your artwork. There are parts and pieces of your subject matter that can be left out and create a stronger whole because of it. So I'm here to talk to you a little bit about when it's a really good idea to add interest by leaving some things out and not saying everything that can possibly be said about a subject. Because if you look at the spectrum of the way to execute a subject, you can go really, really abstract where you're leaving out almost all the information about the subject. Or you can go like to the hyper-realistic end where you're saying everything and you're not really challenging the viewer at all to put anything together or leaving it to their imagination. It's almost like a photograph, which is fun and it's challenging and it's fun to do, just to say that you did it and stuff. But it's nice to have kind of like a play where you can bounce off of the viewer's imagination and let them fill in the blanks. And this is an example here. This is a portrait that I did of my daughter years ago. There are pieces and parts of this image that I purposefully left out because I wanted the focus to be about her, not about like, oh, hey, I can execute hair, or oh, look at those flesh tones and blah, blah, blah. This is basically done with like 3 colored pencils at the most, and then that was it. And there are parts and pieces that were left out, like there's a lost edge here at the front of her torso. All of the part where the highlight, where the sunshine was hitting her head, that part is completely left out. So it's left to the viewer's imagination to fill in where things begin and end. And also we have some interesting points of closure here where we have the background color that actually defines the tips at the ends of her hair. So you're not actually pointing out every little detail. You're letting the media actually, the shapes actually do the work for you. So closure and actually leaving stuff out and not saying everything about it can actually be a benefit. So think about how you're interpreting your subject and all the things you're saying, and maybe you'll find that sometimes a piece can be a whole lot stronger when you don't say everything. So enjoy.